QCRI is very happy to be hosting the E-Analytics and Innovation course here in Doha. The gathering of UN professionals and computer scientists provides an opportunity to re-examine how new technologies for preventing conflict and building sustainable peace processes and resilient societies.
This course is about staying up to speed with new developments. The aim of the course is to bring together computer scientists and UN officials to think about the challenges ahead of us. Innovation for us means the technology on one side, humans on the other side, and systematic thinking right in the middle of that.
Innovation is a key responsibility of the UN. We are at the forefront of peace and security in the world. We have no other choice to make sure we are here to do whatever is possible to serve the people at best.
So I think innovation is important for the UN because, first of all, we're living in a global world. And the fact that we're living in a global world, things are changing, there are new events, there are new challenges. And the UN needs innovation in order to address some of these challenges.
Sharing knowledge with people here, with people from different countries, I thought that would help to broaden my mind.
I've learned quite a lot, especially when it comes to analysis using technologies. And that, I think, is knowledge that is definitely going to help me moving forward.
On top of that, we are so excited to be back at QCRI, which we really see as a special place in the Middle East, if not, in the world, where we have top-notch scientists and cross-cutting research that is helpful for peace.
QCRI has had a tradition of collaborating with many of the United Nations organizations in assisting in developing technologies that are useful in the field to serve the United Nations in sustaining peace and building collaborative activities across the world.